MetaTrader 5 App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. If you're into trading stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, the MetaTrader 5 app is probably on your radar. But in 2025, is it really worth downloading? Let's explore its features, pros and cons. Most people get this wrong by thinking MetaTrader 5 is just an updated version of EMT. The surprising truth is that EMT offers more advanced tools, including additional timeframes, enhanced charting options, and support for stocks and futures in addition to forex. It also allows hedging and netting options, which is great for professional traders. The app's pros are impressive. You get access to real-time quotes, advanced technical indicators, and customizable trading interfaces. Algorithmic trading is supported, allowing traders to run automated strategies directly on the app. You can also view detailed reports on trading performance and manage multiple accounts seamlessly. For mobile users, the interface is responsive and allows executing trades quickly without losing accuracy. On the downside, MT can feel overwhelming for beginners. The array of charts, indicators, and settings may be confusing without prior experience. Additionally, the app relies on your broker for certain features, so some functions may not be available depending on your account. Customer support is also limited through the app, which could be an issue if you encounter technical problems. In conclusion, the MetaTrader 5 app in 2025 is a powerful tool for active traders who want advanced functionality and flexibility. Beginners may face a learning curve, but anyone serious about trading multiple instruments will benefit from its range of tools, automation, and real-time analytics. If you're ready to invest time into learning the platform, which is definitely worth considering for mobile trading.